Don't know media facts, you know. You know a thing set, you know. Yeah, man. People, John, I see a thing and I can't believe it, people. Man, I must say, armed man steal 300,000 relief support at Holland Bamboo. Like, John, I can't believe this. May I tell you? So, yeah, tell me, say, yo, these men have the heart. For say these food I got to people who in need. And the man them would have out here so rob. The people them who are carry down the food them going at St. Elizabeth down at Black River them side and through Westmoreland. You understand? Because this way you can go Black River, you can go Westmoreland, Negril. You understand? I think you can go all Moby. Yeah, you can go take it, go Moby too. You understand? So all of these things, people, may I say, yo, John, oh, this not look good, man. The man them need to do better than this, man. You can't see the people them who in need. You understand? Who really in need. Where, you know, you're supposed to protect them. Like, you know, clear the path. Anything block the way so them could have got through. But I don't prefer just rob the people them with so much food, brother. And then when you rob the food now, like when I leave the people them where the food supposed to go to. You understand? Where the food supposed to go to for get them relief so people can't eat, people not eat for days, people are suffer. You understand? Because when you rob the food, what not do with it? What not do with so much food? You understand? Yeah, maybe you take it go in a family, but that not right. You better wanna stop the vehicle them and say, yo, please me I beg you a package. You understand? I just that are the thing. All you have to say, yo, beg you a package for going at the. You understand? If you don't have it, that's all you have to do, you know. But you don't prefer hold up at a gun pint or something, I don't know, what you really do. And take with all of the food them and all of these things. You understand? Come on, people, man. You need to do better than this, man. You see what I try to say? Because the government I try to do them best to reach the places. Seeing? And the regular people them a go out there and I do what them have to do and uno rob them. It's like uno care about your own people, man. You understand? Uno don't care about your own people. How can so many goods going down into Black River or Westmoreland and these places and uno rob it? Come on, people, man. You need to do better than this, man. Yes, I understand say a crisis and people hungry, yes. But if you're not hungry, all you have to do is just ask for little help. Little package. How much of them food you not go eat? Or how much of uno? And the people them who are carry the care package them, right? The people them who are carry the care package them, uno need to have security, have police or license firearm people with uno. Please, me I beg uno. This is a sign. Uno need to have all of that. You understand? Because uno know how people stay. Just have people out there who are ungrateful. You understand? And them out there like them only think about themselves. Because there's no way people cannot go give food to people and the same people them themselves were in need or rob the thing. You understand? What not go do with that? If you say you're hungry or whatever, yeah, you can get some. Is what I try to say? So no idle for in a Holland Bamboo wait till when people forward for rob them and rob them food. You understand? Only supposed to clear the way, yeah, beg a little food and thing. Wanna go rob and do with the something them now. Wanna go do with tins and all of them little something there. You understand? Because you not eat so much food. That not make no sense. Why not if you rob the people them? 300,000. You understand? Enough food that you know. Enough food that you know, people. You understand? Them money out here we're supposed to protect the thing. Them a rob the truck them. You see it? This not make no sense. And remember say a day them clear up Holland Bamboo, you know. Just the other day them clear up Holland Bamboo, people. just the other day. You see what I try to say? And it's like, as the people them clear, it's like, I don't know if a night or day them are traveling, you know. You understand? But I feel as a must night because in the day a lot of people would not travel by police and them something they saw. Them wouldn't run them chance if I try to rob the people them. You understand? So no man, it need we need to do better now, people, man. I can't when I see it in the people, I tell you thing grieve me, you know. Come here, say look how the people them down in the country area need help. And them money are rob goods. Like them money now no heart. Me I tell you, them money don't have no heart, people. No heart them not have. Them need to do better than this. You see it, people are go to them way. Right now. Them timing, them have to do care package, every little thing. Yeah man. A lot of things these people are deal with. You understand? And I love to see the people them follow out and I support the thing. You see me? Yeah man. Support the people them. But it's like them people here, I don't know people. I tell you. I don't know. It's like them no want nobody eat no food. Them just want yes everybody drop down and pass away and nobody enough to live. How can you have a heart? If you know say yo, them package and them snacks and them food yeah, I go to people who in need. The same people even in them parish. I not plan I not rob the people them. Food, brother. You understand? Food where just going on nobody and turn a waste. You not try rob. You not care about the people them, brother. You really not care about the people them, dog. You see it? It don't even look good. It don't even look good, people. If you know say yo care packages are go down there. Cause look here, me know say I know government vehicle them there now. I go down there now cause like government care or whatsoever now, because them people that get a little escort by police and thing. It look like maybe some regular people and but good look good people, man. People are go to them way I collect donations from all over the world. And if you know so when it reach a Jamaica and if you reach at the location, you have men out there or people whatsoever I try rob the goods. So the people them will forget them, we're dead for days and can't eat, we wash away and stuck in water and dirt and all of them look something there. These man out here I try stop the help what the people them I get. Yeah man, this not look good, man. Them need to do better than this. We need to do better than this. Remember just the other day Holland bamboo clearing the people. And we don't know where these men find time. Yeah, people now go hungry, yes, but come on, man, it's not hard for ask. You understand? It's not hard for ask for 2 bag of groceries or something, brother, and eat. Why no want to rob so much thing? 300,000 of goods? What not gonna do with that? Eh? What not gonna do with that now? What? Try sell it? That you not gonna try do? And know say your brother who not have family. No not have family out there now. Me know not have some family where you need, brother. You understand? But you not think about other people out there. Cause you could have collect food for you and your family same way. If a truck a pass with grocery or with things, you could have said, please me with my mother. Ray, you understand in need, she can't move. And them give you a package. The people them are gonna give you a package. Them not give you. Them just maybe not stop, but them and say, please, yeah, beg them soon on a Holland bamboo. Them are just go on a little thing. You understand? Because when in need, me understand. When I might live in some area where them not reach it and not just forward out. But come on, man, we not rob things now. And this it gone to now. Eh? After we get international help. We out here robs goods. Come on, Jamaican people, man. Somehow, no, man. We need to do better than this, man. Better than this. In this time, man, people in need, man. You understand? I wanna have the heart to do these things. Cause me I telling people when me see it, me I read it, me I say, yo, Jano. I think like them I say, yo, some hungry or what's like because I'm hungry. Me I say, come on, man. If you're not hungry, man, not ask for food, ask for food. Why not for rob? You understand? Yeah, me see some little lightering thing I go on the internet and thing, but yeah, people them hungry and some of the food them even destroy in the supermarket and thing. But you know, we understand how the people them feel about the, you know, them a try get some food and thing, but in a right fee, you know, do what them a do same way, but we understand say how them hungry and thing. You understand? And trust me, hungry is a hungry man in a people and a boy that, you know. So them in a themselves them a say, yo, me nah see no government come in, nobody nah care no food and you know. So them a say, yo, them no know what them a go do now. You understand? But sometimes them people are overdo it some of the time, but we understand say, yo, because I'm hungry and them, cause in a regular day, regular time, them would not do that. You understand? Them maybe would not go in there go buy something. But true, you know, them asset them wash with all of them look or something there, them not really have it. You understand? So come on, man, the people them need to do better than this, man. I tell on the people. And respect for all of the support all over the world and you know, show them because I'm respect for everybody who has show support to the people them in Jamaica who live in here or who usually born here and you know who born here and live overseas and them a send them thing. Yeah man, I love to see that man, you understand? Yeah man, but people bless up you know, don't know you know. Remember to like, share and subscribe, you understand? A media facts man. Yeah man, that is it.